Lennox Error Code 201, commonly called lost communication with indoor blower, signals a breakdown in communication between the system's control board and the indoor blower motor. This disruption can cause the HVAC system to shut down or operate inefficiently. The error protects the system by preventing unsafe operation, such as motor burnout or fire risks when communication fails. Key components include the control board, which sends signals, the blower motor, which modulates airflow, and wiring that must remain intact for proper communication. According to Lennox data, this error accounts for 12% of all service codes, highlighting its prevalence in HVAC diagnostics. Error code 201 primarily stems from a disruption in communication between the integrated furnace control board and the blower motor control module. Key components involved include the control board, the blower motor, which is often a variable speed ECM, wiring and connectors, and the power supply. Voltage drops below 18 volt AC or electromagnetic interference can also trigger false positives for this error. Before calling a technician, try these basic steps to resolve Lennox Error Code 201. First, power cycle your HVAC system by turning it off at the breaker for a few minutes, then turn it back on. Second, check all wiring connections to the blower motor and control board for looseness or corrosion. Third, ensure your system is receiving the correct voltage. If the error persists after these steps, further diagnosis is needed. More advanced troubleshooting involves using a multimeter to check for continuity and voltage in the wiring. Lennox also offers diagnostic software that can scan for software glitches. Remember that communication loss doesn't always indicate hardware failure, and professional tools provide deeper insight. HVAC experts, including Dr. Elena Vasquez from the American Society of Heating, Refrigerating, and Air Conditioning Engineers, consider Error 201 a gateway diagnostic that often indicates broader system health issues. According to her research, 60% of blower-related failures begin as communication problems like this error code. Statistics from Lennox show Error 201 accounts for 12% of all service codes, down from 18% in 2022, thanks to improved diagnostics. A 2026 survey found 35% of technicians encounter this error weekly, with average resolution time at 45 minutes using app-based diagnostics. To prevent Error 201, proactive voltage monitoring is essential to avoid drops below 18 volts AC that can trigger false communication losses. Regular maintenance, including cleaning connectors and checking wiring for corrosion, can stop this error before it occurs. Consider scheduling annual professional inspections. These catch potential issues early, such as faulty wiring or electromagnetic interference from nearby devices, saving time and money on repairs. The future of HVAC includes AI-driven predictive maintenance. Lennox is integrating machine learning to flag wiring issues before they cause failures, reducing errors by 25%. Upcoming models may include self-healing circuits that automatically reset communication protocols, potentially eliminating Error 201 in 80% of cases. Keep an eye on these advancements. HVAC technology is constantly evolving with new firmware updates and advanced diagnostic tools. Staying informed about these developments helps maintain your system's performance. When encountering complex issues like Error Code 201, always consult a certified Lennox technician. Their specialized expertise ensures accurate diagnosis and safe repairs. Technicians can properly diagnose and repair issues, ensuring your system runs efficiently and safely. Don't hesitate to seek their help to prevent further damage.